วัสดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe how are you doing today let's cook a dish from South Thailand I'm actually not sure if it's originally from South but as we use seafood and they have a ton of fresh one the name is Gaeng Som Gaeng means soup Som means orange but in Chiang Mai local language it also means sour for this dish it will be sour soup are you ready let's go cooking oil eggs finger root dry chili shallot crumbling wattle lime garlic tamarind salt palm sugar shrimp paste mackerel fish sauce let's make แกงส้ม paste I use mackerel, but you can use sea bass or any fish and you have to boil it first and remove the bones. I'm wearing sunglasses to protect my eyes from chili. Mix tamarind with warm water for 2 minutes and then you will have tamarind sauce for cooking. Add paste in boiling water. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of palm sugar, 4 tablespoons of tamarind sauce. Add shrimp and do not stir it. Turn off the heat and add your omelette with veggie. And the final touch, add lime juice, this is very Thai style. If you want to try Thai food and you want to touch the Thai local flavor, this is it will be answer you. And voila! Bon appetit! I know that this is not for everyone. It's very Thai style as it tastes spicy, sour, a bit sweet and salty at the same time. But if you have fresh shrimp or fish in your fridge and you want to try authentic Thai flavors, give it a try. Please subscribe if you haven't yet and click the bell. Also, shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye bye. I'm actually not sure if it's what? I'm actually not sure if it's I'm struggling with this one sometimes.